Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make your TikTok videos visible only for your friend. So on PC, so you can see it's called go to your TikTok, and then you can see it's a TikTok, but you will not get your content available here, so you can only watch here. But if you want to make your video for your friend, then go to the open the new tab and type TikTok creator center. So this one, then click here, then you will get all the you will see all the videos content uploaded here. So you can say I uploaded one recent post. So what you need to do, you need to click here the post here, and then you can see your date posted here, and you can see privacy and everyone, it means it's visible for everyone. Simply click here and then click the friends. Once you click the friends, then only your friend like following or followers will be able to watch this video. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.